Welcome to our channel. Today topic is FactoryTalk View SE Data Logging in MS-SQL. Data logging is the process of storing tag values over time in a database or internal file set. You can use this logged data to monitor and analyze processes, generating report track trends, and identify causes or issues. Here I am creating a to tag for logging purpose. Both tag is analog type. FactoryTalk View SE Data Logging configured to collect data at specific intervals or in real time, depending on the needs of the system. In FactoryTalk View SE Data Logging include process variables and tags, alarms, events, trends. This data can be used for various purposes, such as real-time monitoring, trend analysis, or predictive maintenance. A data log model defines which tags to log data for, when to log the data, and where to log the data. Now I'm making display where I add both tag as input and output. This display help to change value of our tags. Okay, so everything is set and now we are moving to our main step, that is making data logging. To open FactoryTalk View Data Log Model, in FactoryTalk View Studio, in the Explorer window, open the Data Log folder. Right-click the Data Log Models icon, and then select New. In Setup tab specify a log file name. Storage format are two type. First is file set and second is ODBC database. First we make a file set as storage format. Use the Paths tab to set up logging paths. In FactoryTalk View you can set two path. First is primary path and second is secondary path. Primary path, this is a main location where your logging file is stored in your server or system. Secondary path, it's an optional path in case primary path becomes unavailable or out of disk space. In the Data Log Models the File Management tab used for specify when to start new files data logging and when to delete old files. Log Triggers tab used to specify what will trigger the data to be logged, and when or how frequently this will occur. In FactoryTalk View have three type of data log trigger. Use Tag in Modal tab to add tag in Data Log Model. The Tags in Model tab to specify which tags will be scanned for data. A data log model can contain up to 10,000 tags. Browse tag and add to data log model. All type of tag you can use for data logging. After all setting in data log model press OK and set the component name of data log model. Right-click on data log model component and click to start. Now your data log will start and you see status. When data logs start in FactoryTalk View, say Data Log Model Automatic Create File in your primary folder. And as per your configuration data log mode, start data log file. When you create a log file set, the set is given a name automatically. The name is based on the date the file was created, and the type of data it contains. The maximum length of a log file set's name, including its path, is 200 characters. File sets use the following file name format: year, month, day, and the sequential file identifier. Now next to store data log in Microsoft SQL Server. It is his database management system. It can be installed on Windows and Linux operating systems and can be accessed through a variety of client tools and programming interfaces. Before proceed, download and install MS-SQL Server Express Edition. It is a free edition of SQL Server, ideal for development and production for desktop, web, and small server applications. If you have any difficulty for installation, write a comment below. Open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to a SQL Server with name and password, if required. In the Object Explorer, right-click on the Databases folder and select New Database. In Security, add New Login, search for Local Service and Local Service. Local Service Account. This is a built-in Windows account that is available for configuring services in Windows. This account has permissions as same as accounts that are in the users group, thus it has limited access to the resources in the server. The local service account is a predefined local account used by the Service Control Manager. It has minimum privileges on the local computer and presents anonymous credentials on the network. In server role, both accounts select sysadmin. Open your FactoryTalk View Studio and then in FactoryTalk View Studio, in the Explorer window, open the Data Log folder. Right-click the Data Log Models icon, and then select New. For connecting SQL Server to FactoryTalk View Application Data Logging, select Storage Format as ODBC Data Source. Select System Data Source. And click Next and select SQL Server and click Next. Click Finish. Enter a name and description of your DSN. Select Server, select Authentication mode of your DSN. Select Database. After finishing above step, test your data source. If successfully connected, then move to following step, otherwise write a comment or send a mail so I can help you. After successfully test, the DSN configured should now be set as the ODBC data source. Select your DSN and click OK. Press Create Table button for creating table in your database. When command completed, a message will pop up. ODBC table were successfully created. You can set backup path for your ODBC data source. Select Enable ODBC backup path, then set absolute or relative path. Use Log Trigger tab to define when data logged into database. You can store data periodically, when specific value occur or on demand. Use Tag in Modal tab to add tag in DataLog model. After all setting in DataLog model, press OK and set the component name of DataLog model. To start data logging in FactoryTalk View DataLog model, you can use command line DataLogon, then data model name as DataLogon blog, or right-click on DataLog model component and click to start. Float table. This is main table. All logged value store in this table. It stores analog and digital tag values. Float table. This is main table. All logged value store in this table. It stores analog and digital tag values. Write a comment if have any issue. Visit all link given in description. Thank you for watching.